Earn over $10,000 monthly with a Forex trading robot. This account started with $970, and within 3 months, the Forex robot made a profit of $36,000 and a withdrawal of $22,000. This account started with $2,300, and within 5 months, the Forex robot made a profit of $117,901 and a withdrawal of $72,000. Results with a small account, although we advise starting with a balance of at least $100. We always emphasize that when the bot makes you some good profit, you should withdraw your profit once in a while. The Forex robot has been working very well for us, delivering great results. With this Forex robot, you can set your stop loss and take profit, and the bot will automatically open trades on your behalf. Additionally, you can choose how many trades you want the bot to open at one time. Follow the link in my channel if you are interested in buying the Forex robot.